How to make your own terrace vegetable garden. Dear friends, we are living in a concrete age where we are hardly in touch with nature. We like ourselves surrounded by buildings, shopping malls, offices, etc., but hardly take time out to spend time in natural surroundings. You could get back in touch with nature by having your own terrace garden. Well, it would fulfill two purposes. You can experience the therapeutic effect of nature on your terrace and you can grow your vegetables. Having a small garden with organic vegetables can be beneficial. Vegetables from your garden are higher in nutrients than the ones you get from the store. Here are terrace vegetable garden ideas that are easy to implement. Gather all the materials you'll need. Collect everything you think you may need, like pots, vegetable seeds, the right kind of soil for all the vegetables you have decided to start with, natural manure, gardening tools, and cow dung if you have decided to keep it organic. Plan a layout for your terrace vegetable garden. Start by planning a layout on a piece of paper to decide how would you place your pots. This needs to be done very carefully, keeping the drainage system in mind. Terrace gardens usually have space constraints, and if they do not have a proper drainage system, the growth of vegetables might be affected. You also need to check of shaded and sunny areas and design the layout accordingly. Preparing the soil. Do not use normal garden soil for the vegetables. Instead, use a good quality potting mix that is properly nourished. Prefer an organic mixture of soil instead of chemically treated soil, as chemically treated soil kills beneficial bacteria and reduces the nourishment of the vegetable. Choose the planting containers. You could use almost anything as a planter, from wooden crates to plastic bottles. But you could explore options like metal planters, recycled plastic planters, fiber planters, or even grow bags. Choosing the vegetables. Since it is your first time, you can start with just one or two vegetables. Make sure to pick good quality vegetable seeds, so the vegetables are grown healthy and happy. The best vegetables for your terrace garden would be tomatoes, carrots, onions, potatoes, radish, beetroot, capsicum, and chilies. Start planting your vegetables in pots. Get ready to get dirty, and simply start planting the vegetable seeds in the pot with the right kind of soil. It is the best part of making your terrace vegetable garden. Don't let your plants remain thirsty. Take care of your veggies just like you take care of a child. Watering them is the key factor, so make sure you water them regularly as and when required. Make sure you don't overwater your plants, as that causes damage and decay of the plant roots. Also, make sure to manure your plant before heavy rainfall. Plant hygiene pesticides. No matter what you do, pests are going to find a way out to your beautiful terrace garden. You can use pesticides to keep them away, but make sure to use natural pesticides. It is easy to prepare pesticides at home, and you can try that also. You need to make a mixture of baking soda, cooking oil, and water for this purpose, and then you need to spray it on the plants to avoid fungal infections. Protect your plants from UV rays and birds. Pests are not the only threat to your plant. Once it starts bearing vegetables, birds and UV rays could harm them. You could cover your plants with a wire mesh or green garden net to protect your plants. Decorate your terrace garden. It's time to accessorize your garden. You could use pebbles, decorative pots, or install small railings. You could also place small statues, lanterns, and colorful pictures which complement the decor. For a more soothing effect, install fairy lights or bokeh effect lights. Make sure to keep chairs and a small table in your garden, so you could sit and relax while enjoying the beautiful view of your hard work. It would be your perfect tea time spot. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Ladd's channel How to Make My House.